Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Hassan's World, and today we are going to go and do barbecue. Look, I'm dressed beautifully and we will go and have some fun and do many activities. So stay tuned and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon. Please stay tuned. Hope you enjoy. Sit there back and relax. We are leaving the house. Look, the G-Wagon. It's so cool. Look, this Ferrari. It's so cool. We stopped here to buy khaboos for BBQ and it's cooperative. So hope you enjoy. When we reach there, I'll tell more about it. Guys, last video we buy this car in day to day. I'm hungry. I'm eating chocolate. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to Hassan's World. Look, my money chocolate. Now I'm gonna open it and eat it. It looks delicious from outside. Look it. How is the design? So yummy.
Like and subscribe to Hassan's World.
Guys, we have reached to the desert and now we are gonna make barbecue here. But first we have to eat biryani. Look that beautiful view. There are mountains and we are in middle of the desert.
It's
Guys, this is our car, Land Cruiser. So it's a desert car because we came here. It's a desert car because guys, you're playing here. This is a beautiful place. As you can see, the beautiful view. The view is.
क्यों? क्यों? पानी में क्या करते हैं?
Guys, as you saw, I finished eating my biryani. After some time, we will make barbecue. I'm excited for barbecue because it's so delicious. Everyone likes barbecue. And my brother is helping me to vlog. And this video will be amazing and super cool. Guys, look that lizard. Whoa. Here it is. Oh, he ran away. Oh, he's there. Oh. He's running away. He's running. He's there. He's there. My sister is playing with the sand. I'll show you. My brother is playing with the toys, so I will join him and play. And my other brother is running just right there. I don't know which plant. Guys, look this plant. I don't know which plant it is, but it looks nice and beautiful. Wow. I didn't thought there will be green trees there, like plants or trees. But there are not trees, but there are plants. Look, this desert. Woo! This desert is awesome. You can visit here and have some fun here. Look, the mountain behind me. It's so cool to visit here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you doing, guys? What are you doing? If it is red, I'm upset with you. Very upset. If it is gray, it makes my day. So that means you have to subscribe because I will make more videos like this. And my channel name is Hassan's World. If you know already, it's Hassan's World. And if you are new, its channel name is Hassan's World. And subscribe that. Subscribe it, like it, comment down below. beautiful out here. I loved visiting here, and we'll have a lot of fun. And if you know my family's channel name, if you don't know, it's Triplet Zaryani vlogs. If you only need to know my channel name, it's Hassan's World. And my sister and brother are playing just right there. I'll show you. Guys, I thought a rap for you guys. Let me tell you. If I was having a mic, then I would put a barbecue and eat it like tasty. Here is barbecue, there is barbecue, and there is barbecue, and there everywhere in the world there is barbecue. My father is going to put the fire for the barbecue. This was which we are waiting for. Finally, I like barbecue as I told you. Wait. My father will put fire, but before that, you should hit that subscribe button. Like it many times you can. And now my father is going to light up the fire and we're gonna make barbecue. I'll show you some parts of the barbecue. I love barbecue so much. Guys, now we are going to start preparing barbecue, and today is a delicious and yummy vlog. And now we are setting up fire. Our parents are setting up the fire. As you can see, they are working hard to make the barbecue and setting up the fire, and we are just relaxed and playing. Guys, I'm catching the sun in my hand. Guys, I'm sitting here. Whoa. I was almost going to fall. As I told you, my father is putting up the fire. Just right there. Hold down. It's a beautiful car for safari. Whoa. Do you like our car? Comment down below if you like our car. And smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon. And delicious kava. Look inside, it's so reddish color. Whoa. I like kava even. Guys, as I told you, that man jumped from the mountain and he's parachuting down to the mountain. Whoa. It's so scary. I would never go like that. It's dangerous for the life. I mean, I will go, but if there is a hole in parachute, what the heck? Look at going. Guys, my mother is cutting vegetables for BBQ. So hope you enjoy here. And the sun is even setting. It will be scary and spooky. Maybe there will be scorpions. They will eat. Oh, okay. Brother came. Guys, I'm stealing his car. He's coming up to me walking. Oh. Guys, they are catching each other because my brother just kiddingly stole the car just right there. It's just kidding. And we'll wait for the barbecue. And peace out. Guys, as you can see, the barbecue is going to be ready. It's almost going to be ready, but still in process of preparing. And all the team is helping, all the squads are helping, all the family is helping. And you can see the sun went down and it's so dark. And this is the car park right here. We have put the cheese to be melted. Look, the grasshopper. Oh my god. It's so scary. It's not scary, it's so tiny. Yes. It's moved. And guys, you can see. Woo! And guys, you can see the plate. The plate is almost empty because I was hungry. Hi, grasshopper. We left the desert and we enjoy a lot. Hope you enjoy, and smash the subscribe button and hit that bell icon. Comment down below how was the video. Peace.